2016 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, stability control, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, rear defrost. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.